How to add videos to my eyes, only on Snapchat from Camera Roll. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to add videos to My Eyes only on Snapchat from Camera Roll. My Eyes only. This is where you can store private videos and photos that you don't want anyone else to see. So to add videos to My Eyes only on Snapchat from Camera Roll, first open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap Memories icon in the bottom left corner to access Memories. It looks like a grid of squares. Go to My Eyes, only to set up it by swiping the menu. Tap Setup to start. Set a strong passcode for My Eyes only and remember it well. Tap Continue. Then tap Finish. Now, tap Memories icon in the bottom left corner to access Memories. Tap on Camera Roll to browse your saved videos. Find the video you want to hide and tap on it to open it. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on those. Select Hide Snap, My Eyes Only, from the menu. A pop-up will ask you to confirm. Tap Move to transfer the video to My Eyes Only. Now, if you're comfortable removing the video from your camera roll entirely, choose Delete. The video will be hidden in My Eyes Only and won't be accessible in your camera roll anymore. If you want to keep the original video in your camera roll, choose Cancel. There might be a video length limitation for uploading to My Eyes Only directly. If you encounter an issue, try shortening the video in your Camera Roll app before adding it to Snapchat. Aim for 10 seconds or less. Once you've hidden videos, you can access them anytime by swiping the menu to go to My Eyes Only, entering your passcode. And this is your hidden videos. With these simple steps, you can easily add videos to My Eyes Only on Snapchat from Camera Roll, and adds an extra layer of security. And this is how to add videos to My Eyes Only on Snapchat from Camera Roll. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.